Now that winter has passed, it's time to prepare your home for spring. Follow these tips for spring shingle roof maintenance for homes in West Deptford, New Jersey. First, you'll need a professional to inspect your roof. They know how to safely examine your roof for signs of damage. You'll get a lot more information this way than from just looking at the roof from the ground. Then take action on any suggested roof repairs. While something may seem small and inconsequential today, it can quickly become a severe problem. Gutters must be cleaned to ensure they don't back up onto the roof. Pooling water on your shingles can lead to leaks inside your home and require a lot of repairs. You'll also need to trim any trees that may have grown too close to your roof. Strong storms can lead to branches striking or even falling on your roof, causing significant damage. Finally, you should look for signs of mold and algae growth. They can often be a problem following all the moisture from the winter weather. If you need help with your spring roof maintenance, call Ameritech Services at 856-418-1029 for expert roof repairs.